Hello and welcome to another one of the Datalinx Warehouse Manager for X3 demonstration videos. What we're going to look at in this video is the versions that our application works with. That's the versions of Sage X3. As a first indication, our product will work with Sage X3 6.5 patch 20 and above. During this demonstration I will show the various products. We're going to show you update 9, which is the one that you're looking at on the screen at the moment. Then we'll look at the version 7. The look and feel will be very similar from a Sage point of view. And then we'll look at 6.5, which as far as Sage screens are concerned are very different. The functionality on the handhelds is the same across all those patches. That's at the time of this video's. Sometime in the future, due to changes in the way that Sage operate and the update 11s and version 11 etc coming out, it might be that we can't take all the functionality back down into 6.5. So if you're looking at this way out of that date, please check with us as far as functionality and versions are concerned. But certainly at this stage, the functionality that we show you on the handheld is the same across the versions of X3. Just to show that the product does work with each of these, I'll just run a simple inquiry on each of the versions as we go through it. What you're looking at on the screen is a mirror of the system. I'll just log in here with a user. By the way, this is the Android client that you're looking at. As we go through some of the other versions, you'll see me use the Windows client. Android and Windows clients both work into the versions of Sage X3. It's just to show some differences through the demonstration. So yeah, into inquiries, and if I do a quick product inquiry and I scan a product code, which I have here, you can see that that's brought up an inquiry off of X3. So it's really just a simple demonstration to show we're pulling data and the client's working quite happily with X3 using the web services. So that's the product running on version update 9. We'll now go and have a look at the product on version 7 of the application. Okay, what we're looking at here now is Sage X3 version 7 update 8, or some people calling it update 8. The key here is you can see the difference. Sage has got this word ERP in it, normally a bit of a giveaway, plus some of the other subtle changes in the screen you'll see as we go through it. On the handheld, functionality much the same. Again, this time we're looking at a Windows-based client, but as you can see, the look and feel is much the same. Here you can see the version that we're running as well. So if I log into this one, just to show you the same functionality. This time I've keyed the passwords in. Again, much the same look and feel. Drop into inquiries. And when I drop into here, if I do a product inquiry, and let me try a BMS, see what this pulls up. Not a product. I'm going to use the query button on the right hand side here. Here we can see all the options. If I select this one here, there you can see it's pulling back the information using the web services. Just to look at that product within in X3, so BMS 001. I drop into here, look at products. Clearly, between the various versions, we've got different product types. But if I click onto BSM, here you can see there's the detail. Just pop the handheld screen back up, and you can see the descriptions coming across from there. Okay. So there's our application running in version 7 update 8. We're now going to have a look at how it works within version 6. Handheld functionality, as we said earlier, will be much the same, but really this is just proving that we're working across the various versions. Okay, so here we are with an earlier version of Sage X3. This is 6.5. As you can see, those that have only ever used version 7 and above, the screens in the background look very different. Those who are used to 6.5, this will be very familiar ground to you. But again, the point of this is to show that the Datalinx application is the same across all the versions. You can see now on the Windows version of the client that we're running here on the handheld, it's now linking into 6.5. So once again, if I log in here, log in as user 1, it'll ask me for my password. I'll key in the password, sign that up, and again menus look very much the same, drop into the same function of inquiries, a different product set in this case, but as you'll see that if I go into product details, again I'll put in the same BMS. It'll come up with no product found. If I click on the question mark query, here you can see the two that have that within their product code. If I OK that, now again you can see the details coming through on the handheld here. Just to show that product in X3, drop onto here. Here we can see the product details. Just pop the handheld back up. You can see we're looking at 103, same descriptions, this is where it's coming from. Going through the web service channels again, picking up all the available stock, etc. There you go, that's the product within Sage X3, same product working across different versions.